and welcome to the Bradley and Sonic Show. Wintertime, the not so best time of the freaking year. Would you say so, True Sonic? Sure. I'm pissed at you though. That's the point! I'm gonna throw you in the... No! Ha! Let's go back. I'm still pissed at you. I know. And a wagon! No! Ouch! Yeah? It's the Bradley and Sonic Show. Sonic might want to slow down with you. No, don't put me on the toilet! Ah, my face! You got pwned, Sonic. I'm still pissed at you. I know! Ha! What, Harley?
Do you want to go sledding?
No! Yes! Sonic would love to go sledding.
Hey,
No!
Bradley.
Bradley! No! Don't put me on the sled! No! I'm still pissed at you, Bradley. I know. Hey, Sonic, wanna go slow again? Oh, crap! No! Hey, let's let Sonic go alone this time.
Bradley, there's not enough of wheat with Sonic.
I don't care. Sonic would love to go alone. No, I won't. I don't care, Sonic. Shut up.
Sonic! No, I am not. I said Sonic ready. Help!
Now are you ready?
Yes!
Sonic, are you ready?
Yes!
Sonic!
Sonic!
I'm gonna kick snow on you, Sonic. No! Don't! Quit it! Stop! Right now! No. Quit it! No. It's still fun!
Are you ready?
Steve! Why the hell are you throwing icicles at her? Let's dry off, Sonic! No! My face! No! My face! Almost landing with Sonic! Wait, take Sonic! Ow! My freaking face! Get back here with my best friend! Where'd you that with him? Sonic! I'll need you up! Ouch! My face hurts! I just got hit in the face with a sled. I'm cool.
Unless we got Bradley outside.
Hey,
Hey, Steve! It's the Bradley and Sonic show!
You see my snowman? He's little.
Wait, I mean Sonic! This is the Bradley and Sonic show! Give me my co-star!
help! Help!
Ow, my nose! Oh,
Help your sister.
I'm doing the
Please help
Bradley.
your sister.
1 second. Let me show Sonic and the people the snowman. Sonic, wanna stay here and talk to Mr. Snowman? Okay, fine, I guess. Then we'll see you in Sonic interviewing Mr. Snowman in the next video.